Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best cake pans on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Daddio's Anodized Aluminum Round Cake Pan Celebration Set. Consider this best-selling set of 3 round cake pans, a 3x2 inch, a 5x2 inch, and a 7x2 inch, the ideal starter set. Though extremely budget-friendly, the quality is there. The pans, which are made of aluminum, heat and cool quickly, allowing for a faster, more even rise. The material is also extremely durable and naturally resists rust and corrosion, great for anyone who regularly bakes with highly acidic ingredients, like citrus. Anyone with concerns about non-stick coatings will love that these pans are anodized, not coated. This environmentally friendly process yields similar results but contains no chemical additives, dyes, or potentially harmful compounds that can transfer, peel, or flake into baked goods. Material: anodized aluminum, oven maximum, 550 degrees, dishwasher safe. No. What we like: affordable, great quality, nice assortment of sizes. What we don't like: advanced bakers may want more pieces. Hand wash only. Number 2. Our second best pick is Wilton Countless Celebrations 10-piece set. If you really want to surprise the special birthday honoree, trade your typical round cake for a more highly personalized one. This affordable 10-piece set comes with a unique rectangular pan that features a grid and inserts that allow you to create any letter of the alphabet and numbers from 0 to 9. Despite the perceived intricacy, there's little fuss for the baker to endure. The pan, which is made of steel and has a non-stick coating, allows for both easy release and quick cleanup, 2 things you'll be grateful for when you have a lengthy to-do list to tackle in preparation for the party. Material: non-stick coated steel, oven maximum, 450 degrees, dishwasher safe. Yes. What we like: fun and versatile concept. Easy to use and clean. Doubles as a regular baking pan. What we don't like: minor leakage can happen under dividers. Number 3. Our third best pick is Chicago Metallic Professional 2-piece 9.5-inch Angel Food Cake Pan. This 9.5-inch tube pan from Chicago Metallic addresses several of the issues that bakers face when making angel food cakes. The pan itself is non-stick, but not in an overly slick way. It's got just enough texture to help your cake climb up the sides without falling down, and then help it release cleanly once the cake is cool. The pan set comes in 2 pieces, with a removable bottom. Once the cake releases from the sides of the pan, you can then release it from the removable bottom to make sure the cake doesn't break. It's designed with 3 little feet that extend from the edge of the pan, and the extended tube balances the cake in the center when cooling upside down. The pan is made of alloy steel and is dishwasher safe. Angel food cake batter is fluffy and relatively dry compared to typical cake batter and should not leak from the base of the cake pan. If you're concerned about leaking, you can still wrap the bottom of the pan in foil. Several reviewers also noted that the pan worked fine for baking pound cake without leaking. Material: alloy steel, oven maximum, 450 degrees, dishwasher safe. Yes, but hand washing is recommended. What we like: removable base makes releasing the cake easier. Feet and extended tube for inverted cooling. Easy to use, even for beginners. What we don't like: cake may stick, even with non-stick coating. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Wilton Easy Layers Cake Pan Set. Just because you're a novice baker doesn't mean you have to stick to simple 1-layer cakes, particularly if you have this 4-piece set at your disposal. With a single box of cake mix, you'll have enough batter to fill all 4 pans, creating 4 8-inch layers that don't require any cutting to assemble. It is also available in a 5-pan, 6-inch diameter set as well. There's minimal risk of sticking, too, since each pan is constructed of heavy-duty non-stick aluminum. For added effect, you can use food dye to color each layer differently, opt for a rainbow or varying shades of the same color for a cool ombre effect. Either way, you'll be left with a truly impressive dessert, minimal skills required. Material, non-stick coated steel, oven maximum, 450 degrees, dishwasher safe, yes. What we like. Easy releasing non-stick pans. Allows novice bakers to achieve professional layer style. Perfect for rainbow cakes. What we don't like. Layers are on the thin side. May take trial and error to get desired results depending on cake batter. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Farberware Non-Stick Baking Pan with Lid. A 9 into 13 inch rectangular baking pan is a must in any kitchen, certainly for sheet cakes but also for a multitude of other baked foods, including lasagna, casseroles, cobblers, and cornbread. There's also a good chance that whatever you're baking in a rectangular pan, you'll be sharing with other people. This pan includes a snap-on plastic lid that protects what's inside if you need to stack anything on top of it, covers the edges of the pan to prevent any spillage, and allows you to see what's inside during transport. The pan is made of alloy steel and finished with rolled edges to prevent warping during baking and transport. It also has a non-stick surface, making it easier to pry off crunchy lasagna edges and release perfectly square slices of cornbread. The pan itself is dishwasher safe to make cleanup easier after your next potluck or birthday party, but the lid must be washed by hand. Some reviewers mention that the lid does almost too good of a job and can be difficult to get off of the pan. Material, alloy steel and plastic, oven maximum, 450 degrees, dishwasher safe, pan is, lid is not. What we like. Quality construction with reinforced rim. Convenient cover for storage and transport. Good heat conductivity. What we don't like. Can be bulky to store. Not dishwasher safe. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.